How to install your iPad into a VisualTarget Slim enclosure. Peel off the liner of the 3M VHB tape. Using a 1.5mm Allen wrench, unscrew the set screw so that it doesn't protrude into the interior of the enclosure. Now, plug the VisualTarget lightning cable into the iPad. Screw the set screw into the audio port of the iPad to keep it in place. The set screw head should be flush with the outer surface of the enclosure. Do not move the set screw all the way in, as this can damage your iPad. Power up the iPad using the screen wake button if it is in sleep mode. This button can be accessed by using a small paper clip. Now, to power your device, plug an RJ45 connector from your power source into the socket on the back of the enclosure. This has been how to install your iPad into a VisualTarget Slim enclosure.